We're so glad that you're here with us at 5:30. I'm Courtney Robinson.
And I'm Josh Sidorowicz. First, Florida's COVID positivity rates are persistently hovering between the 20 to 30% mark.
But that's been going on for weeks now, even as other indicators have started to level off or even trend downward. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser spoke with health experts about why that's happening and why we might want to start paying attention to other statistics when weighing our risks and options.
Positivity rates for some of the diseases aren't really that useful anymore.
Even public health workers say the positivity rate, once a trusted means to measure COVID, is now very likely unreliable.
With most people testing at home, we're not really capturing great data.
When the virus first started spreading, people would get tested at state-run centers. Each test, positive or negative, was recorded and calculated, a large sample providing an accurate snapshot. Now,
I've taken them and I haven't reported it to anybody.
Yeah, I took my own test just to make sure for my family's sake, and it was negative, and so we tossed it out and went on with my life.
I think probably because they just think that COVID is now so commonplace.
All these tests are for the most part coming back negative, but they're not counted in those numbers.
Public health workers suggest a more accurate snapshot of COVID trends might be gleaned from stats like hospitalizations, ICU occupancy, and death rates.
The good news is those things are kind of trending down right now.
When it comes to those home test kits, many, especially those people got for free a few months back, could have dates that now show they're expired. But don't throw them away just yet. Instead, check the FDA's website, which shows several brands have been deemed effective beyond their expiration date.
If it's super faint or it's missing, that test has gone bad. Throw it in the trash. If your control line looks like it developed properly, there's a good chance the test is still working okay.
One thing that has not changed, say public health experts, is their advice to try to avoid COVID and not resign ourselves to getting it and trying to fight it off. They say long COVID remains a real concern and long-term health impacts from the virus are still not known. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
And Eric mentioned that FDA website. If you do have a COVID home testing kit and you want to find out if the expiration date has been extended, we have that link with that information. Just look for this story up on our website, 10tampabay.com.